Hey everybody, Tim here with a video on a new gold coin in our store right now, celebrating 100 years of CN Rail. This guy is pure gold, made in commemoration of CN's inaugural year of 1919. Comes in your standard burgundy clamshell. And there it is. Let's pop it out of there, get a look. Currently offered at the mint issue price of $11.99.95. It's a hair over 15 grams. A nice feature on it is you see around the edge, instead of your standard denticles or just a single band of gold, it has train tracks, which is nice. Features a few different locomotives, kind of showcasing the history of CN Rail, as well as the year. On the back, you got the Queen, and that's it. Feel free to check this one out in store or on our website, westedmoncoinandstamp.com. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe to check out more coin videos like this. Thanks. Bye-bye.